Many PVC wallpaper factories directly discharge the exhaust to the air without any treatment, which not only causes air pollution, but also misses the opportunity to recycle DOP oil. Foshan Air Technology Co. Limited is dedicated to manufacturing DOP recovery system for PVC wallpaper industry. Our management and engineering team has rich experience, who is sure to be able to offer expert service on design, manufacturing, installation, operation and after sales. DOP recovery rate is over 95% efficiency. Generally, it collects 100 to 200 kilograms oil per day. The exhaust temperature from ovens is very high to around 120 before entering the ESP filter. Exhaust temperature needs to be cooled down to below 40. Filter the 98.6% smoke particles and around 60% odor. At the same time, recycle the DOP oil. DOP oil. Turn off ESP. Turn on ESP. No smoke will be seen at the outlet of the chimney after filtration. We have participated in many large-scale exhibitions actively, and have lots of successful projects.